Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be giving you guys an update on my Magnificent 7 daily reoccurring investments. So we did start these investments back in June 5th of this year. We've been putting $31 each and every day into these 7 stocks. So guys, let's load up the portfolio and take a look at how these stocks are doing. All right, we do have the portfolio loaded up on the other phone. We do have Tesla, Apple, Amazon, Meta, Google, Nvidia, and Microsoft. This does make up the Magnificent 7. Let's switch it to total equity to see how much we have in each of these companies. From Microsoft, let's start at the bottom down here. We do have $476. Nvidia, we have $836. Google, $748. Meta, $468. Amazon, $891. Apple, $742, and Tesla, $728. So our biggest plays are Nvidia and Amazon. Let's quickly switch these to total return to see how we are doing on all of our positions. And look at that, the sun's coming out. You guys can see, beautiful day, beautiful portfolio. What else do you all want? Looking at Microsoft, we're up $12.30. So with a lot of these tech companies in the Magnificent 7, over the past month, it's been a pretty rough month. If we look at Microsoft, up 1% the past month, not horrible. Let's go to Amazon. Amazon over the past month down 7%. Meta over the past month down 8.5%. Everything else is pretty good, but just those 2 or 3 that haven't been meeting up to the market standards. Tesla, we are up pretty big on Tesla, 169. We are up 108 on Apple, down 17 on Amazon, down 10 on Meta, up 150 on Google. Google is one of those where I wanted to pick up a lot more than I actually did. We do have $748 of market value. Wish I would have gone heavier into Google, but you live and you learn. You can only up those recurring investments, and time in the market is better than timing the market. Shout out Warren Buffett. Nvidia, we are up $60, and Microsoft, we are up $12.30. And then finally, we're going to be looking at the total percent change for these companies to get a better grasp at how these companies are doing against, say, VU or just like a total market index fund. So Microsoft, we're up 2.65%, Nvidia up 7.79%, Google 25.2%, amazing returns from Google. We are down a total of 2% on Meta and about 2% on Amazon as well. Looking at Tesla and Apple, up 17% on Apple and a little over 30% on Tesla. So Tesla, another amazing buy from these recurring investments. Great buy. And then showing you guys how much I do into these companies every day. Starting at the bottom, $4 into Tesla, $6 into Nvidia, $3 into Microsoft, $3 into Meta, $6 into Google, $5 into Amazon, and $4 into Apple. In my previous Magnificent 7 update, I did go through, add all the equity, and show you guys what $31 a day for 130 days can do. So what we're going to be doing is going through and adding all the equity in these companies, seeing how much we acquired over the past 136 days. All right, guys, and the total does come to $4,892.54 just by investing $31 a day into the Magnificent 7. And that's even with a rough kind of 1 month for a few of these companies. Definitely not bad. I know a lot of you young kids out there spend maybe $15, $20 on McDonald's, Starbucks, eating out, buying clothes, all that. And especially if you live with your parents and pay no rent, there's no excuse to not be investing. Get in, just start with $1 a day. You guys can do it. And that is how much I've acquired from investing $31 a day into the Magnificent 7 for 132 days. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.